Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TCL NxtPaper 10s, and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on languages and input and enter languages. And as you can see, this is the list of all previously added languages. We've got only English right now, so let's tap on add a language. And here we've been transferred to the full list of all available languages from which we can choose. So as you can see, we've got quite a lot of them. And basically all you have to do is to simply find the language you'd like to use and tap on it. So let me pick Turkish. So let's tap. And as you can see, it has been immediately applied. Be aware that, of course, depending on the language, you sometimes will be able to pick the region. So just tap on the one you'd like to use. Even that the language has been added to this list, the English is still a main one. So the whole menu is in English. And all we have to do is to simply tap on this one, so the newly added one, and drag it to the first position, as on the first position we've got the main language. And as you can see, actually immediately the whole system, the whole menu will be displayed in the Turkish in my case. Let me show it to you again. Let's tap on English and drag it to the first position. And as you can see, it has been applied. And basically, this is it. This is how to change the language. If you'd like to remove the languages from this list, just tap on the three dots icon here and tap on remove. Mark the language you'd like to delete and tap on the trash bin icon. Confirm it. And as you can see, we've got only English left. So actually, this is it. This is how to change the system language in your TCL NxtPaper 10s. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.